So I had already previously opened it. Alright, so pretty much this is everything that I got back from Jeff Miller. Looks like an FFL copy. Some miscellaneous parts that he had returned back to me. I had sent him a 35 round magazine, which looks like he had it refinished. As you can see, he also punched in the matching serial number on this as well. Bought the parts kit sometime in early 2020 from Apex. So it was an ARM parts kit, graded as in very good condition. So when I received it, I was pretty surprised to see that the parts were pretty immaculate. There were no gouges or scrapes or dings or nothing like that on any of the steel parts. And for the barrel, I actually won this from Gunbroker. I think I got a pretty good deal on it considering how much original IMI barrels are going for, especially for new old stock virgin barrels. But this is an 18.5 inch IMI barrel, cold hammer forged, chrome lined bore and chamber. It's a 1x12 twist, and it was NOS virgin. It had no extractor cuts, no gas porthole. It was pretty much a brand new barrel that's never been installed. For the bipod, it's just your standard Galil ARM bipod. I purchased this from Apex as well. And this is a reproduction carry handle by Galilhub. So it was both the retainer, pin, and the carry handle. So that was a set that I got. The pistol grip, it's a Galil reproduction by Ronin, made in the USA. The original pistol grip that came with the kit was pretty marred up, so I just wanted something a little bit more new. Same with the stock tube. I had Jeff replace this as well. It's actually just a plastic tube, and the original one again was really scratched up and really banged up, so Jeff replaced it. And as far as the handguard goes, this is also a US reproduction done by Jeff Parker. So this is mahogany wood, which I stained myself. Some other little details. Jeff went ahead and added the Hebrew engravings, the Selector markings on there. Lightning cut, and again the IDF crest. Everything else was done in Hebrew engravings. This has dual lightning cuts. And I also provided Jeff a brand new set of IWI Tritium night sights. Let's see if I can get it to focus. But yeah, it's a fresh set. the Israeli Galil ARM, built by Jeff Miller of Hillbilly Firearms. I did forget to mention that I had him do the salt bath nitride finish, which gives the rifle that extra hard, slick, and corrosion resistant surface. Overall, I am extremely impressed with the gun. A lot of attention to details in all the little areas with the gun. It's perfect. So I'm excited to take it out to the range. I have plenty of IMI 5.56. I'm going to go ahead and feed through it.